What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is now. Yeah, man, the Dan back in the lab. You see me and say, I see what I do with today. We have another banger from none other than the world boss, the one named Pretty Girl. Right, check it out and see what I got to do. The one is definitely for the ladies, them, obviously. You see me and say, but before we get into that gang, you don't know what I'm saying, hit the like and subscribe button, and also I'll be live every day at 8, bro. We'll be live streaming right here on YouTube and on TikTok. I'll be multi-streaming. We'll be playing games. We'll be vibing, talking about music, doing reactions, all that good stuff. So make sure you join the live. Your boy be streaming, officially streaming. Our guys pull up to the streams. Will be lit, no joke. You see me? Also the link and join the Discord. Will be lit over there. Get videos when they drop. You get the alerts because sometimes YouTube be messing up, man. So make sure you join Discord to get my videos as soon as I drop them. You get the link directly. All right, yeah, man, gang. So yeah, you don't know what time it is. Vybz Kartel there with another track, another video on them Pretty Girl. I'm just catching up on the stuff we missed. You see me? Stuff on that stuff I missed while I was gone. You see me? I say the one them Pretty Girl. Check it out. So I gotta deal with all the vibes much longer. Let's get it, man.
For the ladies, Kartel.
For the ladies, my babies.
For my pretty girl, kiss my pretty girl. I'll never trick a girl. Me love ya.
Easy now.
Me love ya. Me love ya. Baby girl, me love ya.
That's a fact. Baby girl, what?
If you do wine for my pretty girl, kiss my pretty girl. I'll never trick a girl. Me love ya. Me love ya. Me love ya.
Easy now, man. Up to you, got you.
Me love ya.
Ladies.
I know you me need when the night call. With you, I know I'm on the right road. Can I do a nigga my soul? For me, give you me heart for your control.
Easy now.
And every time you give me my African wine, girl, you sweet like a pine. Me summertime. And when me down, you want me rise and shine. Wine for my pretty girl, kiss my pretty girl. I'll never trick a girl. Me love ya, me love ya, me love ya, baby girl. Love ya. And if you do wine for my pretty girl, kiss my pretty girl. I'll never trick a girl. Me love ya,
Yeah.
me love ya,
Yeah.
me love ya.
But some bad girls in a dog video now, man. Wait, man. Hey.
Baby girl, me love ya. Hey, baby, you are the one. You are the man. I'ma need you, not just for fun. For your lifetime alone. So precious, my you like diamonds in the dark.
Yeah.
Baby, we live in life. The world was meant for us. Wine for my pretty girl, kiss my pretty girl. I'll never trick a girl. Me love ya, me love ya, me love ya.
Easy now, man.
Baby girl, me love ya. And if you do wine for my pretty girl, kiss my pretty girl. I'll never trick a girl. Me love ya, me love ya, me love ya. Baby girl, me love ya. And I know you me need when the night call. With you, I know I'm on the right road. Can I do a nigga my soul? For me, give you me heart for your control.
That's easy now.
And every time you give me
Me don't know about that stick. I'm going to play with them. Hey.
African wine, girl, you sweet like a pine. Me summertime. And when me down, you want me rise and shine. Wine for my pretty girl, kiss my pretty girl. I'll never trick a girl.
Me love you. Me love you. Yeah,
Me love ya.
Hey.
Me love ya. Me love ya. Baby girl, me love ya.
They're full of melodies and you know where popcorn get it from. Go ahead, Joe.
Wine for my pretty girl, kiss my pretty girl. I'll never trick a girl. Me love ya. Me love ya. Me love ya. Baby girl, me love ya. Wine for my pretty girl, kiss my pretty girl. I'll never trick a girl. Me love ya. Me love ya. Me love ya. Baby girl, me love ya. And if you do wine for my pretty girl, kiss my pretty girl. I'll never trick a girl. Me love ya. Me love ya. Me love ya. Baby girl, me love ya. Yo, you watch Bonnie and Clyde? Woof woof.
Oh, easy now. Well, boss, back at it again. The one named Pretty Girl. You don't know we love it, pretty girls. They wine for me, pretty girl. Wine for me. Me love you. Me love you. Hey, shout out to the pretty ladies, them. Shout out to all the ladies in the Dan Mafia. You see me, I say, gang. Shout out to you, ladies. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Shout out to you, ladies, them, man. You don't know. Woman, them represent fine now. Yeah, let's go. And the real niggas, you know what I'm saying, represent, yeah, right. But then no, yeah, Cartel background and bang melodies and everything mad. You see me, I say, hey, Cartel comes, you know, for find the melody, man. I don't know what some of them artists, but I say, man, versatile. Man, no chopping, no rotate, no, enough of the point. He talk about the chopping. Nah, there's nothing against the chopping or the guns, like, but man, a tan point, man can Badman tune, chopping tune, hustling tune, gal tune, love tune, conscious tune. You see me? That's what I'm talking about, versatility. You see me? I say, yeah. But anyway, big up to your boss, dog, doing thing. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section. If you like it, show the artist some love and support, make you know start dancing. You see me? We're back and we're fully active, guys. Make sure you join in the Discord. Make sure you join in. I'm live every day at 8 until. Sometimes we be on till 1, 2 in the morning streaming. We be gaming. We're talking about music. We doing reactions, videos, topics, all that stuff. So make sure you join the live. You see what I say? Yeah, man. We're back on fully active. Don't know the code. Hit the like and subscribe button. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other, guys. Love you and